In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to plan and organize your daily life using the new Notion calendar. Think of it as your simple, powerful hub for schedules, tasks, and routines. We'll set it up together, and I'll show you how to make it work for your day from the very first login. Start by opening Notion in your browser or launch the desktop or mobile app. If you're brand new, creating an account only takes a moment, and the free plan is perfect for getting comfortable while you explore. Once you're inside, take a quick tour. Notice the sidebar on the left and your pages in the center. Knowing where things live will make the rest of this walkthrough feel effortless and help you build habits that stick. So take a second to get oriented and focus on what you need most today, your calendar. Now look to that left sidebar and find the calendar icon. This is your entry point to Notion Calendar. Click it and choose the option that says Get Notion Calendar. In a few seconds, you'll have a clean calendar workspace that can handle both personal and professional plans in one place without bouncing between different apps. With the calendar open, you'll see an option to connect databases. This is where Notion really shines. Link your task lists, meeting notes, and project timelines so they appear together on the same calendar view. When everything is connected, you can scan your week at a glance, spot conflicts early, and understand how each commitment fits into the bigger picture. As you connect items, use clear names and consistent properties like due dates and statuses, so events show up exactly where and when you expect them. If something isn't appearing, double-check that your date property is set correctly and that the right database is selected. Keeping naming simple and consistent helps you trust what you see and makes your calendar easier to maintain over time. Next, head to the top right near your profile and click the arrow to Open Settings. Here you can tailor how the calendar looks and behaves. Switch between day, week, and month views to match the level of detail you need. If you plan hour by hour, the day or week view will keep you focused on what's immediately ahead. If you're mapping out deadlines and milestones, the month view offers the broad overview that helps you plan ahead. While you're here, adjust time format and start of week preferences to match your region and routine so there are fewer mental conversions as you work, and your schedule feels familiar at a glance. As you can see, Notion Calendar is more than a list of dates. It's a single, connected system that brings your workspace together, clarifies priorities, and helps you follow through. I hope this walkthrough gave you the confidence to get started and showed you how to make your time visible and manageable. If you found this helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and tap the notification bell so you don't miss the next guide.